Well, we finally got AirTags. Finally are here. These little tiny trackers have been in the making since probably 2018, 2019. And boy, has Apple really been on the, working floor and really been trying to get these things out to us. But unfortunately, we were all stuck inside, so what could we do? So Apple's AirTags are finally here. I've got 2 4-packs here. I also got a couple of these Belkin holders. These are basically rubber, hold the AirTag inside, and you can use these for, attaching to suitcases, bags, gym bags, whatever it is. Or in my case, what I plan on doing is taking one of these, putting it in my car, and that way, instead of having to use my maps to find my car, I can just use the AirTag to locate it and find it in parking lots and things. Now, one thing to know, AirTags are not to be anti-theft devices. You do not stick this on front of your bag, someone steals it and you hope to track and find your bag. No. Someone will steal the AirTag, you disable it, and then you're out of an AirTag. Maybe that's 29 bucks. So I don't recommend using it as anti-theft. In fact, I don't even recommend hanging it on the outside. You want to hang it on the inside. So if you're going to use like a purse, hang it on the inside. You're going to use your wallet, put it inside. You're going to use a gym bag or a backpack, put it inside. That way the AirTag is hidden from view, but you're still able to track it. Now remember, these use Bluetooth, but they also use the FindMy network, which means you got 1 billion users that have iPhones and iPads and MacBooks and all that, and you're able to track it using those billions of users, but it's all encrypted, so nobody can actually find out that it's your AirTag and where you are and things like that. Now, these, of course, are good little things to have, even though you don't plan on attaching these to the outside. But either way, there's going to be a lot more accessories coming out and all that. So, AirTag is very simple to set up. It's just like AirPods. You simply open it, pull off the tape. It's going to make a sound, stick it next to your phone, and it'll set up the whole process. Choose what item you're going to track. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to open mine. I'm going to set them up, and I'm going to try them out. Then I'll come back here and I'll let you guys know what I think and where the good sides are, the bad sides, does it really work, and all this stuff. And I can tell you, since Apple's worked so hard on these things, they're probably going to work fantastic. So that is what I'm going to give you guys. I'm showing you the AirTags that finally arrived. Remember that we also got the new Apple TV and new Apple TV remote, which the Apple TV wasn't updated as much, so I'd recommend the remote. I've got that coming in May. And then we've also got the new iPads with the M1 chips, and we have new iMacs as well. So there's a lot of new Apple products out there. If you got any questions on that, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will come back with you guys and let you know a little more about the AirTags. All right, I thank you for watching.